You guys want to go for a walk? You want to go for a hike? Huh? Okay, so I think it's just gonna be a solo hike today. Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. You're back here with Benny. And today I'm gonna be doing a bit of a hike and cook. So I'm checking out these waterfalls on a small little hike. It's about 2.3 kilometers in and out. And the name of it's Chewothin Creek Falls. Forgive the traffic noise in the background. Yeah, it's a very quick and easy hike, but I thought I'd check it out. I just saw it on All Trails, the app that I use. And then after that, I'm gonna hit up a campsite, get a fire going, and cook some Korean food. So, and again, thanks to my existing subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, thanks for checking me out, guys. This trail is really easy. It's wide open. And it's, like I said, it's a short trail, so nothing big. I have to be really careful today because it's kind of windy. And I'm seeing a lot of widowmakers around close by, so just have to be careful. The temperature is about -2 degrees Celsius or so. So it's not too bad. But check it out. Nice and peaceful. Looks like the creek bed is dried up. Some time ago. Honestly, I'm surprised that there isn't more people here. It's a pretty easy trail and it's a nice day, very sunny. So yeah, there's not a soul on the trail, which I like, but it's quite nice. Check it out. There's some remnants of a small fire that happened here. So that's where I'm heading. Up there. Well, there's something you don't see every day. Huh. All right, well, it looks like we're coming up on the waterfall here. And I can see why the creek bed has dried up. I think it's because the majority of the waterfall here is frozen. I didn't think it was that cold yet, but apparently it is. Check it out. Honestly, what a sweet spot. I mean, during the summer, this waterfall must be just beautiful. It's beautiful now. But yeah, check out this ice. Just huge chunks. I mean, look how thick that is. Starting to freeze up. But it's time to head on out, head over to a campsite, get a fire going, and start thinking about lunch. So I'll see you guys there in a second. All right, well, looks like I have found a spot to get a fire going and get some food in me, get some lunch going. It's quite the spot. Let's have a look. Always make sure to check that there's stuff loose in the back of your car before you open the trunk. All right, now that I got the fire going, I'm gonna cook up some lunch. Today's lunch is marinated pork belly. So I'm gonna cook that with a couple of Korean sides and look forward to this. I think these are done. All right, I'm gonna gonna enjoy this by the fire for a little while, and it looks pretty dang good, so let's try this out. That's really good. I kind of wish it was a little bit more crispy, but it's still very good. Well, it's time to head home. Such a nice spot, and that frozen waterfall is really cool to see. Yeah, so if you guys have a second, just hit that like and subscribe button if you don't mind. I'd much appreciate it. And I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching Ben Ventures.